Okay, so we're going to do a circle view. Okay, so it is like a bar chart, okay, in the sense that you can compare the heights, okay, but you can also use the size of the circle for a second measure. Okay, let's do product category and product subcategory in the columns. So all right, so now if you bring in sales, you're going to get a bar chart. So that's your default chart. Okay, so when you have fill set up in this way, but if you change that to change the mark type to circle, so what you get is a circle view chart. Main differences between bar chart and circle is that you can bring in another dimension and use that for size. Okay. You can bar chart also you can do that. You can use size, but that's not normally done, because when you use size in bar chart, the width of the bar will be different based on the measure that you're using for size. But usually you don't see bar charts in that way, having the width be representing another measure. Okay, but here there is a problem though, and the problem is that the size scale, okay, so you have to pay attention to these things. The size scale goes from the negative value, this is the smallest value, and then it goes up as it increases, which is good. Okay, but so that's your smallest profit, meaning here the smallest profit is actually a loss of 72,000. Okay, so if you like that, that's good, but you can also do it in a slightly different way, which may make sense, and that is, so this is the size legend, right? Click the down arrow and click edit sizes. Okay, so now you get some options. Okay, right now it's setting the sizes automatically. Okay, so you can change from automatically, okay, then you can select from 0. So that means 0 will be the smallest size, and then the size will increase going in either direction. As you go more and more positive, you get bigger sizes, and as you go more and more negative, you get bigger sizes. Okay, so see now 0 is at the center, so starting from 0 the sizes increase. Okay, so now this one has become bigger, but the problem is that they are all of the same color, so it's kind of hard to tell which one of these is negative and which one of these is positive. So what can we do for that?
Color.
Yeah, by what? Yeah, so you take profit into color. Okay, so then you have the negative values orange color and positive values blue. But you want to make it really explicit, then you can edit colors. Okay, and then you can set that to 2 steps, right? Then when you do 2 steps, you have to make sure that it is the center is 0. So make sure it is centered at 0. Okay. Then if you apply, then you see that, so these two, and here is one which is kind of loss. Okay. And then you have to clean up the chart, right? So this can be sales by product category and subcategory, and then you can say and reduce the size and maybe change the color. Okay. You still have to clean up the field names and maybe the subcategory names so that it will all be okay. All right. So this is a circle view.